Good morning, students of class 10. We are going to start a new chapter, similarity. In this chapter, if these two triangles are similar, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if these two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the pair of their corresponding angles will be equal, such as angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. All these three are the pairs of corresponding angles. If these two triangles will be similar, then the pair of corresponding angles will be equal, and second condition, the ratio of their corresponding sides will also be equal. AB by PQ, this is the ratio of corresponding sides, equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So these two conditions you are seeing, if triangle ABC and PQR are similar, corresponding angles will be equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides will also be equal. Now the question is, how shall we identify these two are the corresponding angles? Suppose you keep triangle PQR above triangle ABC, then P will lie in the direction of A, angle Q will lie in the direction of angle B, and angle R will lie in the direction of angle C. So angle A and angle P are corresponding angles, angle B and angle Q are corresponding angles, and angle C and angle R is also corresponding angles. Similarly, we can identify the corresponding sides. If you keep triangle PQR above triangle ABC, PQ will lie upon AB, QR will lie upon BC, and PR will lie upon AC. So in this way, AB and PQ are corresponding sides, BC and QR are corresponding sides, and AC and PR also corresponding sides. So the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Ratio of corresponding sides AB by PQ, BC by QR, and AC by PR, all these will be equal. Our next topic is criteria of similarity. There are three criteria of similarity: AA, SAS, and SSS. One by one we will see the explanation of all these three. Number one, AA criterion. This became the singular form, criteria is the plural form. AA criterion of similarity. In this, if we have two triangles ABC and PQR, in these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q, means any two pair of corresponding sides are equal. If in two triangles any two pairs of corresponding angles will be equal, then those two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In bracket we write the rule AA criterion. Any two pair of corresponding angles should be equal. If you take angle B, angle equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. If you take angle C, the second one will be angle R, because these two are the corresponding angles. If you take angle A equal to angle P, angle C equal to angle R, means any two pair of corresponding angles should be equal, then those two triangles are similar by the rule of AA criterion of similarity. Next rule of similarity is SAS criterion of similarity. For this we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if AB equal to PQ, these two corresponding sides are equal, and angle B equal to angle Q, then third condition should be BC equal to QR. So in these three conditions, what are we seeing? These two are the pair of corresponding sides. This should be equal. These two are also pair of corresponding sides. This should also be equal. And the angle lying between these two sides, as we are using AB and BC of triangle ABC, angle B lies between these two sides. Similarly, that side you are using PQ and QR, Q will lie between these two sides PQ and QR. So angle B should be equal to angle Q. Means which sides you are taking. So two pair of corresponding sides you will take to make equal. Angle lying between those two sides should be equal. Between these two sides angle B is lying, between these two sides angle Q is lying. Angle B should also be equal to angle Q. Then we say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. SAS criterion. Here we can give this symbol, this equal to this equal to this, and this angle is equal to this angle. Always this angle should lie between these two sides. You will never take this side equal to this side equal to this side. Now you are taking that angle C equal to angle R. That is not the rule. That angle should lie between these two sides. The last rule of similarity, that is SSS criterion of similarity. Let us consider two triangles ABC and PQR. If in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and AC equal to PR. So what are we saying? Under this rule, all the pair of corresponding sides should be equal. Then we say, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In bracket we write SSS criterion of similarity. One theorem is important in similarity, basic proportionality theorem. This theorem states that any line drawn parallel to any side of the triangle divides the other two proportionally. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Then, as per the rule, this line will divide these sides proportionally, means AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. One derivation you will get, this is the main rule. One derivation I want to teach here. We can write the reciprocal of these two fractions, such as BD by AD is equal to EC by AE. Adding 1 both sides, what are we getting? BD by AD plus 1 equal to EC by AE plus 1. You will take LCM AD and this will be BD plus AD, and here you will take AE, that is EC plus AE. So what are you getting? BD plus AD will give you AB by AD, and this side if you add EC plus AE, that will give you AC by AE. So this is one derivation of the basic proportionality theorem. We can write the reciprocal of that derivation. Reciprocal will be AD by AB equal to AE by AC. This is the, so number 1, this is the real form of basic proportionality theorem. Number 2, this is the derivation of basic proportionality theorem, and this is the reciprocal of the derivation of the basic proportionality theorem. All these three conditions will be used to solve the exercise. In the next class, we will start the exercise.